Got handed a WNK file and not sure what kind of presentation software it belongs to? These are tutorial presentations from a specialized screen recording application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open and play these WNK presentation files. Here's a technique I rely on. For truly stubborn WNK files, you need a software that can work outside the box. A true piece of file magic. My top pick is linked below. WNK Files are presentation files created by WNK, a free tutorial and presentation creation tool from DebugMode. They contain screen captures, interactive elements, text callouts, buttons, and navigation controls used to create software tutorials, demonstrations, and training presentations exported to Flash or executable formats. WNK files use WNK's proprietary project format, storing screen capture frames with timing information, text callouts, shape annotations, interactive button definitions, navigation logic, and audio narration tracks. The format preserves all editable project elements, enabling continued modification before final export to distribution formats. For comprehensive file management, WNK relies on WNK developed by Satish Kumar. For complete access to all file resources, a dedicated program is needed. Windows may show the outline, but manipulating visuals requires presentation tools. This WNK file is tricky, so let's test thoroughly. Right-click it and choose Open With. If WNK is there, use it first. If not, choose a different app and continue the test. If your WNK file will not open yet, do not panic. The WNK file is more stubborn than we thought. We're moving into the next phase with the 3 essential steps to unlock it. First, opening in WNK. Download and install the WNK application from DebugMode, then open the WNK file directly within the program. WNK displays the project timeline, screen captures, and all interactive elements in its editing environment where you can modify content, review the presentation flow, or export to final output formats. Next, exporting for distribution. Once opened in WNK, use the export function to generate distributable formats including Flash, SWF, EXE, PDF, HTML, or PostScript. EXE format creates a self-contained executable, while Flash works in web browsers with the Flash plugin. PDF export creates a static document version of the tutorial. Finally, finding modern alternatives. Since WNK is a discontinued tool, consider migrating content to modern screen recording software like Camtasia Snagit or OBS Studio. Recreate important WNK presentations using current tools that produce widely supported video formats, ensuring long-term compatibility and easier sharing across platforms. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.